Hello everyone, and welcome back. This is part 2 of our English conversation series. In this lesson, we will learn 50 important English phrases that you can use in your daily life. Each phrase includes a natural reply, clear pronunciation, and Arabic translation to help you speak English more naturally and confidently. Just listen, repeat, and practice with me. Are you ready? Let's get started. Are you married? Are you married?
No, I'm single. No, I'm single.
What is your dream job? What is your dream job?
My dream job is to be a pilot. My dream job is to be a pilot.
What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10 p.m. I usually go to bed at 10 p.m.
Can I borrow your pen? Can I borrow your pen?
Sure, here you go. Sure, here you go.
Which one do you prefer, tea or coffee? Which one do you prefer, tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee. I prefer coffee.
It's up to you. It's up to you.
I'll think about it. I'll think about it.
What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue.
Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions?
No, everything is clear. No, everything is clear.
What's the date today? What's the date today?
It's the 16th of September. It's the 16th of September.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
I'm going to the supermarket. I'm going to the supermarket.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too.
What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time?
I watch movies and listen to music. I watch movies and listen to music.
Good night. Good night.
Good night. See you tomorrow. Good night. See you tomorrow.
Where is the nearest pharmacy? Where is the nearest pharmacy?
It's just around the corner. It's just around the corner.
What are you looking for? What are you looking for?
I'm looking for my keys. I'm looking for my keys.
Long time no see. Long time no see.
It's great to see you again. It's great to see you again.
Do you study or work? Do you study or work?
I work full time. I work full time.
What are you wearing today? What are you wearing today?
I'm wearing a new dress. I'm wearing a new dress.
What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat?
I'd like to eat pasta. I'd like to eat pasta.
How do you feel today? How do you feel today?
I feel great today. I feel great today.
What do you usually eat for breakfast? What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and bread. I usually eat eggs and bread.
What is your favorite book? What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter. My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Where do you buy your clothes? Where do you buy your clothes?
I usually buy them online. I usually buy them online.
Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course.
What do you do? What do you do?
I work as a teacher. I work as a teacher.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
How have you been? How have you been?
I've been great, thanks. I've been great, thanks.
Who is she? Who is she?
She's my friend Maya. She's my friend Maya.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
I know. I know.
What is your favorite fruit? What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango. My favorite fruit is mango.
What languages do you speak? What languages do you speak?
I speak Arabic and English. I speak Arabic and English.
Do you have any brothers or sisters? Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother. Yes, I have one brother.
How was your day? How was your day?
It was busy but good. It was busy but good.
Do you use social media? Do you use social media?
Yes, I use it every day. Yes, I use it every day.
Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. Yes, I love traveling.
Can you help me? Can you help me?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course.
That's interesting. That's interesting.
I think so too. I think so too.
What do you usually do on weekends? What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually spend time with my family. I usually spend time with my family.
Are you busy now? Are you busy now?
No, I'm free. No, I'm free.
Are you ready to order? Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the grilled chicken, please. Yes, I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
What's your favorite holiday? What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is New Year's Day. My favorite holiday is New Year's Day.
Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go?
I'd like to go to the beach. I'd like to go to the beach.
How is the weather today? How is the weather today?
It's sunny. It's sunny.
I don't mind. I don't mind.
Great. Great.
How often do you clean your room? How often do you clean your room?
I clean it every weekend. I clean it every weekend.
Would you like to have dinner with me? Would you like to have dinner with me?
Yes, of course. That would be nice. Yes, of course. That would be nice.
What time do you have lunch? What time do you have lunch?
I usually have lunch at 1 o'clock. I usually have lunch at 1 o'clock.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening.
See you later. See you later.
See you soon. See you soon.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.